To purchase PlayStation Plus on a PS5 using a Cash App, start by opening the PlayStation website on your console. This will display an interface where you can buy PlayStation Plus. Choose the desired subscription, which includes Deluxe, Extra, and Essential options. Once you've selected a subscription, pick a plan that suits your needs, such as a 1-month, 3-month, or 12-month plan. After selecting your plan, click on the Add Card button, which will prompt you to log in to your PlayStation account. Upon logging in, a window will appear, and you'll need to click on the App button. From there, add a payment method by selecting the Add a Payment Method option. You'll be presented with 3 options: using a credit or debit card, adding another account, or using a specific type of account. To use a Cash App card, you'll need to obtain one first. Once you have the card, select the first option and enter your card details, including the card number, cardholder name, expiration date, and CVV number. After clicking the Next button, your payment will be processed successfully. By following these steps, you can buy PlayStation Plus on your PS5 using a Cash App card.